How to buy Bitcoin on CashApp. Alright, let me show you how easy it is to buy Bitcoin using CashApp. First, open CashApp and tap the money icon on the bottom left. You'll see your CashApp balance if you don't have funds yet. Tap Add Cash, choose an amount, and confirm with your PIN or Face ID. Once you've added money, scroll down and tap Buy Bitcoin. Now, if it's your first time, Cash App might ask you to verify your identity. Just follow the steps and upload your ID. Once verified, you can choose between a one-time purchase or an automatic recurring order daily, weekly, or every 2 weeks with a $10 minimum for recurring buys. For this example, I'm doing a one-time $5 purchase. Tap Buy, confirm with Face ID, and you'll see a small fee, in my case, about 15 cents. Tap Confirm. And that's it, you now own Bitcoin right inside Cash App. You can see your BTC balance, your Bitcoin value, and even the price chart to track how it's performing. And remember, this isn't financial advice.